What is going on, guys? It's Austin here with Moon Trades, and if you guys are new to my channel, I go over the stock market and how to trade consistently even without indicators. I'm going to jump right into this one really quick. On the vote I put on my Instagram story, RSI did win the vote, so we're going to jump right into this. You're going to right click and you want to go to studies. Go to add or edit studies, and I would recommend edit studies so you can actually kind of mess around with it, and then type in RSI. This is how you actually use the RSI when a lot of people don't understand it. Basically you're going to draw about 3 lines, get a price level out, and this will be your green line, and then you got your yellow line, caution line, and then you got your red line, right? And what I just did there is see the resistance on my yellow line. That's how you find the middle yellow line, right? Technically, if it repeats and usually bounces on that yellow line or rejects on that yellow line, then that's, that's a valid yellow line. That's a caution area. If you're in the good deal area, then typically this is where you would look to buy. Whenever it breaks a high, just like the price action that we talked about in our previous videos, it'll come back down and bounce on the good deal area and then push up. This price can, jump all the way up here and barely touch this area, or it could barely even peak up and still touch that area. You want to sell whenever it comes up to its usual resistance area, and make sure that you're not taking any losses, and you can, you're only growing your account. But yeah, you can do the same as whenever it pulls up all the way up here, it comes back down, and technically it would be a good deal area on this yellow line, right? Which it's not yellow now, I know. But technically speaking, if this was yellow, the caution area, and this was the red one, then it would come back down, and then you would want to watch it kind of go sideways, and then you'd buy back in if it showed another bounce there, and if the patterns itself was showing a sign of bounce. If the patterns itself was making higher highs and you're wanting to add in the low, typically you can look at the RSI to actually find that low area, because when it does go all the way up, see how this it went all the way up and it went overbought? It went all the way back down to oversold, right? But then pushed all the way back up and then barely even moved. Whenever you break a high, like whenever it breaks up in a high, you can watch the RSI to see when it typically bounces, which it bounced here on the red line. I wouldn't buy it when it's that high, but that is how you actually trade the RSI. Is you have your support, you have your resistance, you have your higher highs and your higher lows and your lower lows and your lower highs all inside of the RSI. So I hope that small video kind of helped you guys out. You can go to my other videos. They will better describe a higher low pattern and what a downtrend and uptrend and all this other sorts of stuff is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like always, I will see you guys in the next video.